Okay, say hi, my name is Chase.
Hi, my name is Chase.
And we're going to work on the letter L.
And we're going to work on the letter L.
Okay. All right. Ladder.
Yeah.
Ladder.
Yeah. Lovely.
Say, I love you.
I love you.
Look at the camera.
I love you.
Okay. I love you.
I love you.
Say, it's a lovely little ladder.
It's a lovely little ladder. No, let's just I can say this part. Good.
What?
Lovely little, yeah.
Lovely little ladder.